I didn't do upload videos and I didn't do vlog, guys. And I also didn't do live because the last that I upload videos, it was when my son have a surgery. Ayan, nose surgery because he has nasal polyps. So right now I have time to do live, so I'm doing live. So anyway, guys, the reason why I didn't do videos, I didn't do upload videos, it's because I'm working, and since last year I'm working, so I'm busy of my work, and when I come home at home, I'm tired, and in the same time, I'm also doing affiliate, like promoting products on other apps. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working in the morning, and then afternoon I'm also doing a TikTok promoting products. So yeah, that's why I didn't upload videos. But now I'm gonna start doing live, even though only for 1 hour, as long as I have time. So yeah, so we are okay, guys. We're still okay. We are still kicking. We're just very busy. And at the same time, when the school is starting here in the Philippines, we need to, we need to get ready for my son study, and yeah. And you can see you can hear my voice is kind of, it's not clear. It because my work is a live seller. So I'm doing, for those who don't know about live seller, it's like I'm promoting products online. So that's my work is. So yeah. So yeah, we're fine. We're okay. It's just, very busy, and after my son having surgery, he was fine because he has nasal polyps. So yeah, he's already recovered. It's been a month now. So yeah, thankfully his surgery is successful. So yeah, I'm going to upload that video also after the surgery done. I didn't upload. Even that video I didn't upload. You see how very busy I am. So how you guys doing? See you guys. You can ask anything if you have any question. Hope you guys didn't forget me. Didn't forget my YouTube channel. So don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe for those who don't subscribe yet. So maybe I'm not sure if we are going somewhere this year because we went. It was Boracay, right? It was March. So we are supposed to be planning to go to Bohol this October on my birthday, but then plan changed because my workmates, she's also going to somewhere else. So she already filed on leave. So I'm late. So maybe we gonna cancel that. It's probably next year we're going, not sure yet. We are going to plan that. So everybody, how you guys doing? Welcome to my live. You can ask question, any question. For those new to my channel, my name is Mary, and welcome to my live. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So yeah, so here in the Philippines, this past, I think 1 week, it's always been raining here, guys. It has typhoon. I think it's already 3 typhoons coming, already passed by, and you know, you can see in the news that flood water here in Manila. Yeah, it's like hard raining. So, but right now it's already stopped. Ayan, it's already start sunny day, hopefully. Because when it's raining, you cannot really go out. It's like, because how can you go out when you go out, it's already flood water everywhere. It's like, unlike in the province, it's not right away that it has flood water when it's raining. It's take like 1 day or 2 days straight of raining, then you're gonna have flood water in the province. But otherwise, for just 1 hour or 2 hours straight raining, no. Unlike here in Manila, for just 1 hour straight raining right away, it has flood water. That how is really bad, Manila. I mean, right away it's had flood water when it's raining for 1 hour. Because it's a lot of garbage, pollution, and especially also traffic here. But yeah. But the work, most of the time people working in Manila because you can get easily work in Manila confer in the province. So yeah, right now just doing nothing. Javi is not here, he's just went outside doing his daily walking. So I didn't go with him today because I'm planning to do live. Yeah. So my work is every morning. My duty is working morning shift. So yeah, that's why when it's afternoon, I have time to do live. So yeah. So how's everyone doing? You guys can comment what you're going to ask. Everyone is welcome to my live. So right now in the Philippines, it's 7:20 p.m. So yeah, my son is starting studying. He's in grade 10, grade 10. He's in grade 10 this year. So 2 more years he will be finished senior high, grade 12, and then he will be college. So yeah, a lot of happening here in the Philippines. When the typhoon is coming, a lot of place that it has flood water, and then some people also getting leptospirosis. Yeah, I think it is leptospirosis, which is you get it that from the flood water. Because people, when it has flood water in Manila, they like to swim, playing in the flood water, which is not safe at all. But people are enjoying doing this. So later on, they will have the leptospirosis, that which is you can get that from the pee of the rat, which is not safe. So a lot of people being not really a lot, maybe few people died because of the leptospirosis. But yeah, it's not safe at all. So yeah, there's also accident always happen, accident here in Manila. Like same thing, this 3 student driving motorbike, and the breaker is it's not working. The two ladies are died. They all student actually. It's so sad because the parents doesn't even know that they are going somewhere. The parents know, they thought that they are just going to get to finish the project, and then these 3 senior high, I think senior high or high school, they didn't tell the parents that they are going somewhere to have fun, and then they ride the motorbike, and then I think the motorbike, when the road is going like that, then the brake is not working right away. It's like it's brake. So yeah, that's how they have problem. So the what you call it, the bump to the house, and then probably the head of the girl bumped to the wall, so she died on the spot. So 2 of them died, and the guy is alive because 3 of them, 2 ladies and 1 died. It's so sad. They are so young, and then life is too short, right? So yeah, we're doing fine, guys. So this is just a short live videos. I just want to give you an update about our life. So we're still kicking, We are just busy as usual. I'm working and my son is studying. And yeah, also we are doing things at home, fixing at home. And I have two jobs. I have extra job and I have one job. So if I have time, I'm doing live here at YouTube. So that's what I'm doing right now. I have time. So yeah, maybe tomorrow, if I can do live again tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much, guys. He's still supporting my YouTube channel. Ayan, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, so this is just a short live. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in another vlog. Bye.